Hi guys, today in math we are going to do similar work like we did yesterday with shifting tens. First we're going to do it with numbers within 100, so two-digit numbers. And then we are going to work on shifting tens when we also have hundreds. But today the difference is we are going to take the pictures away. So you'll see how we are really just using the expanded form for each number. So let's start with 51, okay? First, what is 51 as expanded form? We have 50 and 1. So if we shift a 10, we have 5 tens here, and we're going to move it over to the ones place. So instead of 50 tens, we will have 40 tens. Move that 10 over with the 1, and 1 plus 10 is 11. So we have 40, 11. Okay. Let's do another problem. We have 82. We know that 82 in expanded form is 80 and 2. Now, if we want to shift a 10, we're going to take a 10 away from the 80, which leaves us 70. If we add that 10 to the 2, we have 12. So we have 70 and 12. We just shifted one of these 10s. Instead of 8 tens, we went down to 7, and we regrouped that 10 with this 2. Let's do another one. So now I have 75. Okay, expanded form is 70 and 5. We're used to that. Okay, but now we're going to shift a 10. So instead of 70 tens, we only have 60. So it says 7 tens, we have 6 tens, which is 60. And we're going to regroup that 10 with the 5. Okay, so we have 60 and 15. Let's do one more before getting into bigger numbers. We have 85. We know that 85 in expanded form is 80 and 5. If we shift a 10, okay, instead of 8 tens, we're going to have 7 tens. We're going to regroup that 10 with the 5 and have 15. So we have 70 and 15. You guys did a great job with this yesterday. Now let's do some shifting when we have a hundreds place. We're still only shifting a 10, so just like Miss Lanning said yesterday, we're going to leave this hundreds alone. Okay, we're not going to mess with that one yet. Okay, so our first step is what is 632 in expanded form? I know that is 630 and 2, so 632. My next step is I'm going to cross all this out. Is I'm going to leave my 600 the same, and I'm only going to mess with my tens. So I have 3 tens, which is 30. I'm going to shift one of these tens and move it with my ones. So if I shift a 10 from 30, that leaves me 20. And if I shift it over to the 2, 10 and 2 is 12. So look at this. My 600 stays the same. Okay, so my 30 becomes a 20, my 2 becomes a 12. So 632 is 620, 12. Let's do 354. What is this as expanded form? It is 350 and 4. Okay. The next step is I'm only going to shift a 10. Okay, so my hundreds is staying the same. So I have 300. I shifted a 10 from a 50, which left me 40. Regroup that 10 with the 4, and 10 and 4 is 14. Let's look at 823. What is that as expanded form? 820 and 3. So now I'm going to shift a 10. Okay. Remember that my 800 is going to stay the same. So if I shift a 10 from my 20, that leaves me with 10 left. And then shift it over to the 3. 10 and 3 is 13. Let's do one more practice together before you do your assignment. I have 625. What is this as expanded form? 620 and 5. Remember, we're only shifting tens, so I'm going to leave my 100 the same. Okay, so if I shift a 10, my 600 is going to stay the same. I'm shifting a 10 from my 20, so instead of 2 tens, I only have 1 left. And I regroup that 10 with my 5, which will give me 15. So 610, which is 10 less than 20, and that 10 got regrouped with my 5, which gives me 15. Let's do one more. I have 852. What does that look like? Expanded form, 850 and 2. Okay, if I'm going to shift a 10, remember my hundreds stay the same. Okay, I have 5 10s here. I'm going to shift one of them over here and regroup it with my 2. So that leaves me with 800, which is the same. Shifting 110 from the 50 leaves me with 40. And combining that 10 with the 2 gives me 12. Today in your practice, you're going to do the same thing without the pictures.